second grade. Miss Maricela here. Today we're going to be solving some addition problems, and we're going to be using a strategy that we've done before, but today we're going to be using bigger numbers. But first, let's start with some numbers we already know. So let's do 80 plus 20. That's 8 tens and 2 ones. Together that's 100. Now let's add some ones. 7 plus 4, and that's 11. All right, now what if I said, what's 87 plus 24? Before you tell me the answer, let's look at these numbers with this number. What do you notice? Yeah, 80 and 7 make 87. And what about these? Yeah, 20 and 4 make 24. So, can we use this information to help us? 80 plus 20 is 100. And then 7 plus 4 is 11. Yeah, we can use what we know, and we can put these together. So 111 together, that's 111. Let's try this with bigger numbers. Let's do 100 plus 200. That's 300. We got 100 and 200s together, that's 300. Let's add some tens. 40 plus 10, that's 50. And some ones, that's 14. Okay, now what if I said 145? Notice anything? Plus 219. Notice anything? The same numbers. 140 and 5 together, that's 145. 210, 9 together, that's 219. What would 145 plus 219 be? Could I use what we already know and put those together? Absolutely, yes, we can do that. So my ones, here are my ones, here are my tens, and here are my hundreds. So I know I have 4 ones. And then, remember this is a 10, and here's another 10. So now I have 6 tens, and then I have 3 hundreds. My answer is 364. Cool, right? Let's try this with a new problem. Let's see if we can try this strategy out. Okay, let's do 426 plus 366. So I'm going to do it like we did here, and I'm going to separate it by hundreds, tens, and ones. So let's do that. So I'm going to add first my hundreds. So that's 400 plus 300. That's 700. Now my tens. 2 and 6. So that's 20 and 60. And that's 80. I started with a bigger number, 60 plus 20. And then my ones, 6 and 6. That's a doubles. So So that's 12. Remember that with 12, I have a 10 and then 2 ones. So now I'm going to put all of this together. So let's say I'm going to put 700 plus 80 plus 2. So I have 2 ones. So this is 0 ones, 0 ones, and then 2 ones. And then I got 0 tens, 8 tens, and 1 10. So that's 9 tens. Then I have 700. My answer is 792. So, look at that. So when I added this big number here, I broke it apart into place value. So for my hundreds, my tens, and my ones, and then I put it all together to get my answer. All right, this strategy, you're gonna try it next on Seesaw. Good luck.